Happy Sunday, guys, and good afternoon to all of you out there. Welcome to another Adventures of Greg Thomas Vlogs. To all of you new to this channel for the first time, welcome, and I hope you all enjoy a wonderful experience. My name is Gregory Thomas II, but you can call me Greg. That's a lot shorter. And now that we got the introductions out of the way, let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you guys a previous adventure that I had earlier today at New Bethel Baptist Church. But this time was truly a very interesting adventure, I must add, guys. But you know what, rather than me just sit here and just talk about it, let me show you from earlier this morning. Okay guys, so I just made my way here to New Bethel Baptist Church. Right now I'm here in the sanctuary, and as you can see, it's almost as quiet as the wind. So I think you can hear wind, yes, but you can't see it though. It's definitely different. And I also believe that today will be a very special day. Let me show you. Behind me, you can see that New Bethel Baptist Church is doing its annual, well, as you say, graduation thing for those who have graduated in 2023 here. Basically everyone from middle school to elementary school to high school. Now, I myself am done with school, but I am truly proud to just do my own contribution to those who have worked very hard to come this far. Truly a job well done. And as for this, well, let me just say, New Bethel Baptist Church, never truly a dull moment here, not a one. But I believe there's going to be a lot more surprises throughout this whole adventure today. Now, to get today started, we are going to set up everything that we need, from the cameras to the monitors, as well as anything else that might be needed throughout the rest of the duration of this whole entire adventure today. So stick with me, guys, and see how this whole adventure continues. Alright guys, as we are continuing on with this entire adventure, or should I say graduation adventure for those graduating here, job well done. I have made my way here into the audio-visual room, where, as you can see, I have just turned on all the broadcasting equipment that we are going to be using for today's special graduation service. As I said before, there's never truly a dull moment when it comes to serving with New Bethel Baptist Church. It gets more interesting each time, and more fun. Right. So the next thing I'm going to do after turning all this on is simply setting up these here cameras upstairs. So I'm going to make my way back upstairs to the sanctuary, but stick with me, guys, and see how this whole adventure continues. Alright guys, so as we are continuing on with this adventure, I decided to just take a look around the church and see what else is needed or whatever is new. So right now I am in the mini lobby, and it looks like the Bethel Baptist Church is definitely going all out once again. As I said, there is never truly a dull moment when it comes to serving with this church. But I think it is a good thing that they are truly, celebrating those who have graduated throughout this year of 2023. As I said before, job well done. Right, so we are going to continue on with this adventure, guys. So stick with me and see how it continues. Alright guys, we are all set and ready to go for the graduation 11 a.m. service. We've got the cameras all up, the monitors are running, and we got our headsets, communication devices, and also the team is up there. So we are about to get started. So I'll see you all after the graduation service. Okay guys, so we just got finished with the 11 a.m. graduation service. I must say, today was definitely one day I will never soon forget. And plus, today I had to pretty much work camera 4 this time. As I said before, never truly a dull moment here at New Bethel Baptist Church, but it was truly an honor to just continue on just serving alongside with the audio-visual ministry. And I look forward to more adventures with them in the near future as I continue to embark on this journey in becoming a filmmaker. And plus, it definitely has fun, amazing adventures to come. Right, so I'm going to sit here for a minute and just relax for a little while, and then I'm gonna head out. But stick with me guys and see how this whole adventure goes. And once again guys, that was a very successful day at New Bethel Baptist Church. As always, it is truly an honor to continue on just serving as a camera operator for the, 11 a.m. service. But today's service was truly special. Truly one to remember. And above that, it was great, just taking a day just to celebrate those who are graduating throughout 2023. Definitely job well done to all of you. I give you all a clap. And more importantly, I look forward to seeing what other type of adventures that I have with New Bethel Baptist Church in the near future. I'm definitely looking forward to it. Alright, so guys, I just want to say thank you for joining me on another adventure. I hope you all have a wonderful week, as well as a wonderful weekend. If you like this video, go on down below and click on that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, click at that subscribe button, and we'll get started. So until next time guys, remember, imagination, memories forever on film. So until next time guys, have a wonderful week.